Well, we're at Pearson's Falls, and they tricked me into doing a hike. And it's uphill, so we'll see how this goes. It's only a quarter mile, so hopefully I don't die. But the nice thing is there's shade, and it actually feels pretty comfortable. Yeah, I'm wearing my hiking boots today. So, man, inclines really suck. Oh my God. Ah.
Need to find you a walking stick, girl. But then you only have 2 hands. You have to pocket the old water bottle or something. Yeah, the rocks are tucked up into the roots. That's kind of cool.
Huh. I'm tired.
Come on. It's an easy walk here.
Easy, it's all steps. Those people smell like clean laundry.
Like what?
Clean laundry. They smell good.
Smell like
Sweat and death. Wilderness is not for me. Stream lover, Taylor Swift. Stream. Stream. My glasses just fogged up. This is very strenuous. Yeah. When I grow my 3rd arm, I'll take a walking stick. Weird.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
It's like dripping. I appreciate the amounts of benches around for people like me who can't go a quarter mile without stopping a couple times. Whoa, she lived a long time.
No kidding. 95.
Jeez. Just for spite, probably. Got a nice breeze through here, which is nice. I'm sweating very much. Some more steps. Oh good, this has a hand rail. Oh no, I'm gonna need a minute before I get down. How are you feeling?
Good.
This big old guy. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can't get footage of this cool spider.
Oh, another granddaddy one.
I don't know if you could see it, but take my word for it, that's a cool spider. Also, my glasses keep fogging up. This is hard. Downhill's hard too because the rocks are slippery and we're wearing sandals and I keep slipping and dying. Look, I'm so hungry. We made it back, we did it. Oh my God. I don't know why, they're like obsessed with these chestnuts, but
It's pretty.
y'all are pretty nutty. Well, Taylor, this water bottle definitely came in handy. Thank you very much. I love it very much. Well, that was fun, but next time I want to wear sneakers or hiking boots or something. I don't own hiking boots, but I have a feeling we might need some when we moved here because there's a lot of cool trails around, but I am not in shape for this. But hopefully by the time we get here and move here, hopefully by then I will be in shape. And it'll be like nothing doing these. But for now I'm very exhausted. And also I'm hungry and I want some pizza. So hopefully we find a cool little diner or something to eat near here. We're near Saluda, so hopefully there will be a bunch of food options. Get some good food. Woo! My favorite thing. Extreme Lover by Taylor Swift. This place is really, really cool. I forgot to take pictures and videos of everything because we were eating it and it was really good. But look at what we got. There's a bread pudding and look at this. Wow. Beauty shots.
What is that?
This is mocha pot de creme.
Mocha what?
I don't know what that is, but it sounds good. Try it, see what it tastes like. Look at that. Wow.
Sound like a goat.
They're good. There was also this raspberry lemon parfait and it was amazing. Oh my god. And they have really cute shirts and I really want one. This one's so cute, but it only comes in an extra small or a small, and homie, I'm neither of those, so we'll see. Alright, so I'm gonna try it. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, it's like chocolatey coffee. Ooh, that's good. And it's cold. That's good. The bread pudding's good too, but it's strange because some of it's cold and some of it's warm. I wish it was all warm all the way through. Still really good though. 10 out of 10. Look at the angels! Hello, babies! I wish I could stick you on here. There we go. Alright, cool. Oh, okay. You're gonna trap me. You're gonna trap me, dude. Hello, babies. Come on over. They're coming over. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi. You sweet baby. Hi, baby. There we are. There's my babies. You had to make sure I was worthy of your presence, huh? Hi, sweet babies. Look at these angels. Wow. Hi, baby. Hi. You are so beautiful. Hi. Babies, it's okay. He's all the way over there. They're getting nervous because Bailey's out, but he's not anywhere near them. It's alright. Even though he just wants to be your friend. He's definitely not going to hurt you. All he wants is some goat friends. Maybe you can see a little bit more that way. Hi, honeys. Yes, you're so beautiful. Oh, yes, you are. What beautiful creatures. My baby. So cute. Yeah, I'm making some weird noises over here. Bale, hold on. Bailey, stop moving. Good boy. All right. Bye, babies. That's still loud and proud. Apparently our new neighbors, because we are living here now, this is our home now, they just got here and they already lost their cat. So now we're gonna go look for it and see what we can find. But cats usually don't want to be found, so we'll see if we can find it.
Did y'all find the cat?
I think she's under my car.
Oh.
Look at these little angels.
Oh, they're looking for you, Natalie.
Let's say hi to the goats again. You can never have too many goat friends. Hi, babies.
Look at them, Natalie.
My babies. Look at the little ones running back there. Hi, angels. Hi, babies. You are the beautiful little sweetheart. Hi, angels. Oh, hello, big baby. You're beautiful back there. I wish you liked being touched. I love these goats. That one's rubbing its little body on the side. Oh my goodness.
Hi, sweetie.
So pretty.
Hello.
Poopy little butt. White one.
Yep. Oh, you started running, Natalie.
I am obsessed with these animals. Yes, yes, you beautiful babies. I'll give them some butt scratches while you give them head rubs. I think this one's my favorite. He's the boss.
Oh, is he? No
Yeah.
wonder you like him.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody that bosses around.
Yeah.
Hello, sweetie.
Cats are dumb.
They don't seem very smart themselves.
No. Stupid animals are usually because of stupid owners. And that's why these goats are so smart. And so sweet and amazing. Such great creatures.
I might have to change my mind about goats.
Yes, you better change your mind about goats. They're so sweet. I just want this one. This one and the other one, and just take them. Thank you for letting us stay in your Airbnb. By the way, we took 2 of your goats.
Everything just loves to be touched and loved, you know?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what it is.
Mm-hmm.
How do you know if they're a boy or a girl?
I think that one's a girl.
Yeah, I think so. Got a big belly. I wonder if it's pregnant.
Wouldn't that be cool?
Well, I guess they all have big bellies though.
He said, we're well fed, that's why. Is that yummy? Got some yummy water? Yeah, sweetheart. You drink slowly.
Yeah. Do they all do that? I guess.
I don't know. What are you guys up to? Hi, sweet baby. This is my second favorite.
Oh.
I love their mouths. They have the cutest mouth. Oh, are you munching on my hand? What does it taste like?
Hi.
How you doing?
Those too, huh?
Hi, baby. Oh, wow. That's a beautiful shot right there. Right up the nose.
That one has got teats on it. See it?
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if that's the baby's mama's.
Interesting. I don't know. We need to read up on some goats. Hello, Bubba's. I want to give other people attention, not just you. Oh my God. Hello. I wonder,
Find
do
on
they
the
eat
internet.
these?
I don't know. Probably everything, but.
I'm sure this is a weed.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see if they'll eat it out of my hand. What do you think? Oh, he said, no, I want kisses from you. Oh, he's eating it. Ah! Is it yummy? Oh, you're chewing on my finger again, bud. Are they going to leave their dog outside?
That's not their dog, honey.
Oh, whose dog is that?
We don't know. It just showed up. It was out with a German Shepherd or something.
Weird.
Somebody's just letting their animals loose. Ew, that's nasty.
What?
Pooping. Oh yeah, you gotta put that on there too?
Yeah. I always thought they pooped like bunnies or deer.
Well, it looked like it. Those little tiny ones.
It did look like it, but when you see it on the ground, it doesn't look like that. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like piles of big dog poop.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it doesn't look... I always thought it was going to be like little rabbit pellet poops. Hello, you want to be my friend?
No, he won't go away, Natalie. He needs to go home.
I don't know. He looks pretty happy here.
No, he's a puppy.
Hi, big old slobber butt.
Hi.
Hi, cute. Oh my God. Hi. But your butt's very wet.
Yeah, he's been in the water
You
somewhere.
found some sort of water somewhere? Yeah, you're very pretty. Wow, you're pretty, baby. Hi. It is very nice to meet you. Yes. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. You are very cute.
Take care of. Look how fat he is.
Oh yeah, he's a chunka boy. Yeah, goats didn't like Bailey, so I don't know how they're going to react to that.
Like, don't even think about him protecting my herd. Go away.
What do you think? What do you think of the puppy?
That's what he's thinking.
What do you
Look
think?
at him, he's staring him down.
Oh, I like you. I like you, you big old lump. You're so goofy. You got all kinds of energy. Oh, you're chewing on my hands too. Wow, my hands must taste good. Everybody's eating my hands today. Oh, you do the same thing Bailey does. You step right on my foot. You're probably thirsty, aren't you, bud? Do you know how to get home?
You need to go home.
How do you get home, bud? Oh, more bites. More. Wow, thank you for that. Bye, sweet angels. Oh, I'm gonna miss you guys so much when we go home. It's okay, sweeties. It's okay. It's all right. We will protect you. We will. Oh, we'll make sure you guys are all right. What's up with that mouth? What'd that mouth do? Why'd you do that? You goofy. All right, bye, babies. Bye. I miss you already. Such a handsome boy. You need to go home, buddy. And he's not wearing a collar.
No, like Bailey.
Bailey doesn't wear a collar either. Maybe his parents will find him. He said, "You're my family now." No. I say, okay.
No.
Look how big his feet are.
I know.
He's got some big old feet. Bye, baby. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello, new family.
That's probably who all these feet prints
Yeah.
Because they are big feet. I thought,
Yeah, he's been in here before.
Uh-oh.
Hello? Hello? Holy crap. We should feed it some water. So thirsty. Poor baby, where's your parents? You gotta let your parents know that you're okay. Poor baby. Oh, are you taking it with you? Yeah. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Are you gonna chew on it? Oh yeah, that's a fun toy, isn't it? Yeah. I got this new Pez. Oh my god, so it's a bat and it comes with different flavors. It has candy corn, grape, and orange flavor. I personally don't like orange, so I probably will give that to my dad, but I'm excited for the grape and candy corn flavor, and look, they're so cute. It is a bat. So, let's see what it tastes like. Alright, let's try this. That's a weird flavor. It's like a mix of two flavors in one. It's like a caramel orange. That's what it tastes like.